What is the location of your emergency?
Hi. I don't know how to get a hold. There's this dog that is eating up other dogs, and it accidentally bit my neighbor, attacking her dog. I don't know how to get a hold of animal control or have them come get it.
Last time I tried to approach dogs that bit somebody, I got bit. You should get bit, Nobody. Numbers are like 80 something, right? Oh, there's our guy. Hey man, you haven't seen a couple of dangerous dogs, have you? Was it mean? We got a call that a dog had bit a couple people. It was a little ways down, but I figured you were out.
Yeah, okay.
All right, man. Is that the dog you called about?
Yeah.
Does it come?
Yeah, it's been abused.
Come here. Hey, grab that. Grab the hobble strap out of the door for me.
No. Come here.
I know. Hey, just relax, guys. I know, but just. Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Come here. Here you go, buddy. Come here.
I'm not gonna kill him or that. He's been abused. Like, he's been people.
Come on, buddy. Let's go. Get in the car.
I put some hot dogs out there for him.
Come on. Well, they'll evaluate him, do all their thing, and they'll need to do a rabies test because it bit somebody, right?
And they cut their heads off to do rabies tests, right?
Well, a lot of times they have to be. I just got bit by a couple dogs a little while back. It was fortunate enough that I shot one, so we were able to test it.
Yeah.
I don't know if they're going to have to. A lot of times they'll actually nurse dogs like this back to
I
health.
hope. I don't want to kill them.
Where's the guy that got bit? Do you know his address or anything?
She's right here. She left.
Okay, but that's her house?
She just
Well,
got Nick trying to...
Animal control will probably want to talk to you guys.
Okay.
Did you give your address when you called?
Yeah.
Okay.
I do
We'll,
think so, yeah.
we'll let them know, and we'll take this up to the shelter.
I'm gonna give him a hot dog.
No, because I don't want him throwing up in the car.
Oh, that's true. He's gonna have to get
So,
too. Hello.
Come here.
Thank you, my man.
Yep.
Yep.
Come on, you want to get in the car?
Bad news.
No, it seems alright. Come on, let's get in the car. Come on, buddy. Come here. Come on, get in the car. Come on. Come on, get in the car. I know, you're a sweetheart. Come on, get in the car. Come here. Come on. There you go. Get in the car. Come on. Get in the car. Get in the car. Come on. Come on, get in the car. Oh, Jesus. Come on, get in the car. Get in the car. I don't want to touch you, man. You're gross. Come on, get in the car. Come on. There. Hang on. Hang on. I was going to call them myself.
Yeah, just talk to some of them. They're going to be a ways out there. Asking if you can actually bring the dog up.
Just having a hard time getting in the car. All right, buddy.
Yeah, we'll just get in the car.
Come on. Come on, bub. You got to get in the car.
Can I give him a Butterfinger?
The animals in the car?
That might work. There you go. Get in. Come on. Come on. You got it. Good boy. Come on. Let's go. Get in the car. Get in.
Copy, 919.
Try something. They got these. Good boy. There you go. Come on. Oh, there you go. Get in the car. He wants to, but I don't think he's...
He stinks.
Yeah. Come on, bud.
Come on.
Come on. Get in the car. Come on, buddy. I don't know if that'll work or not.
261.
Come on. Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah.
14.
Come on.
Maybe a
Come on.
car's neighbor.
Come on, buddy.
Theo,
Let me see if I can-
pink black shorts.
Oh, he just get up on his own? What a bastard.
thing, right?
Come on. You want to get in? He's like the sweetest guy in the world. We know him. Yeah, we know him.
So he's not accepting figure.
No. His wife died. He lives by himself. He he walks around and talks to everyone in the neighborhood. Come on, buddy. Get in the car.
Okay, because I put this since I put my students so other people probably,
His kids are pieces of shit too. Yeah, they steal from him. Yeah. Come on, buddy. Get in the car. Here you go. Get in the car. Come on. This.
I put this fence up because he was scared.
Well, you don't want that? Let me get you some water. There you go. Drink water. You drink water, bud. Come on.
Your mom was pissed.
He spit it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, he's drinking some water now. He's just. All right, buddy. You ready to get in the car? He's not really taking any food or anything. Come on. He tried to get in. Here you go.
Yeah, we're unsuccessful.
He might get in if we walk away.
Okay.
There. He tried to get in, but I had him tied to the window. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. There you go. Get in. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come here. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Do you have any gloves back here, Jeff? Oh, actually, I got some. I got some in my pocket. I just don't want to get his mites all over me. I think he's not strong enough to get in the back.
Someone needs to be held accountable for that.
Yeah. Might be some homeless guy's dog or someone that is just mentally unstable or lives alone. Here, bud. Let's go. Let's go. Get in. Yep. Come on, get in there. There you go.
There you are.
Yep. Nope. Stay in the car. Yeah, well, we don't have any control over that. Well, honestly, it might be the best thing for him too. You know, when if he's been starving for this long.
Go get help.
I know there's so many animals at the shelter that you don't want him just to bring him back to health and then he just sits in a cage and dies. It's almost better just to put him down. But that's not our call. It's up to them. So, yep.